Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and as you can see, I have a AliExpress haul, and there's supposed to be a lot in here, and it better all be here because I have not been happy. I have had some stuff not show up that I am still working on getting. Oh my God, these are cute. Bigger than I thought, but look at these charms for the dolls for Thanksgiving. Oh, those are cute. I got 2 packets of 5 of those, which I was going to do earrings, but we'll see. They're kind of big, but Blythes are also very whimsical, so let's see what else we got. Oh, shoes. Okay. I love these little tennis shoes. And I saw the orange, and I thought that is such a hat tip to the Kinder Blythes. You know, the Kinder Blythes, the iconic orange shoes. All right, let's see what else. This should be eye chips that I'm waiting on for a collab I'm doing. And other, oh, it's not. Okay, these are charms. I don't remember how many I got, but woohoo. Now those will make cute earrings. Won't those make cute earrings? I have a doll named Autumn and 2 extras named Autumn that are going to need those earrings because they're perfect. All right, I want to open this carefully because I think this is clothing that I found inexpensively. I did it again, didn't I? Okay. There's 3. Yep. Oh, these are cute. These are very inexpensive. They're little sweater dresses. I love my little Blythe dolls in these. And I just ripped the bag. Dang it. They're also real cute on Barbie. You know, they go up from the bottom. Just cute. Of course, this folds down for a cute little turtleneck. Really like those. Those are, oh, I want to say less than $2 on AliExpress. You just have to shop around. People say, could I get a link? By the time I give you a link, the price has changed. I watch for sales. Just put sweater dresses in and see. Oh, these should be, looks like, I don't want to tear this, but it looks like I'm going to because I don't like to get in here in a reasonable amount of time. It's one thing I hate about these packages. You cannot see how to open them. Well, I want to be careful because I don't want to cut the ends. Oh, wait, is it right there? Maybe it is. Yeah, oh, ta-da!
Looks like there's packages of packages.
There is. That's why I didn't want to cut it because I didn't want to cut the inside. Yeah. These are some gray eyes that I ordered. Won't these be cute for like redheads and blondes? Really like that. These were a bit different. And then this is an array of different eye chips. Cool. I'll put those back in there in a minute. And hopefully this wraps. Oh, now look, this one is retaped. Okay. Let's carefully. Why is that retaped? I'm always suspicious. Okay, and then I got 2 little green pairs, and I think they're supposed to be 3. That is my haul for today. Thank you for watching, and as you can see, it always comes back to Blythe. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.